When Emma said heel, he stood right by her side. Penny went to dog training school. Remember that, Penny? It's a long time ago. He was the best dog, said Miss Katz, the teacher. When the classes were all over at graduation, she gave Toby a diploma with a gold seal. Wow, look at up here. Here's Toby's dog diploma. Emma's mom tacked the diploma low down on the wall, right over Toby's dog dish. Now you know how to behave, she said to Toby. Huh?
Then at last I heard them say, "He's one of us, he'll be okay." One dog who wasn't very big suddenly began to dig. The others started digging too, but that was something I could not do. I'd never learned to dig in that store. How could I on that hard stone floor? I tried to dig, but alas I couldn't. I wiggled my paws just wouldn't. I fell on my ear, I fell on my face, I fell on myself all over the place. The others said,
Hey, you can slide right in.
Get a little closer. Okay.
Where's your mama? Good boy. There we go. Good boy. Good boy.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Cookie bird. Over there. Mama, who's over there?
"Yeah, you don't want to do
He matches your ears. Yes. I think it's been a couple years. When did she start B.A.R.K? A couple years ago?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now there's 107 dogs in the program and growing every week we see. If you go on Facebook, B.A.R.K is on Facebook and she's always posting the new dogs.
9 new dogs.
I saw that. She's doing great. We just had the Pet Expo this weekend and it introduced a lot of people to the program. So dogs have dogs would be very upset with you if you get certified to be able to come in. And,